We offer complete academic support for UG, PG, and PhD students in the fields of EEE, ECE, and CSE, from topic selection to final thesis submission. Smart farming. Our services: we can provide abstract, documentation, PPT, and results. Abstract. In abstract, we can provide abstract, keywords, existing method, proposed method, block diagram, hardware components, software components, advantages, applications, and learning outcomes. Document. In document, we can provide abstract, keywords, introduction, literature review, existing model, proposed model, block diagram, hardware components, software components, component description, circuit diagram, advantages, applications, conclusion, references. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing model, proposed model, block diagram, hardware components, software components, advantages, applications, conclusion, references. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.